Hello, Shalom, and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this lesson, word of the day is prime time. How to say prime time in Hebrew. So, you can always say prime time. It's a loan word, everybody will understand you. But the Hebrew way to say it is shat si. Shat si. This is a construct state. Shat is from sha'a. Sha'a means hour. And the word si could be the top of the mountain or the best achievement in sports. Like when a runner breaks the time, like the fastest time, this is si. And together, prime time in Hebrew is she'at si. She'at si. You see here, this is Shin, the dot is on the right. This is Sin, the dot is on the left. So, she'at si. She'at si. She'at si. You will find links to selected lessons in the description box below. Hebrew alphabet, Niqqud, derived stems, pronouns, and more. And until next time, להתראות בקרוב. See you soon.